Hello everyone. Today, we are going to cover 5 best leather passport wallets in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our top pick is Zoppen Multi-purpose RFID blocking passport wallet. A quick once-over of this stylish passport wallet makes it easy to see why it took the top spot on our list. It has a pocket for everything you'll ever need while traveling. RFID blocking means the Zoppen has a special shielding material built into it that'll help protect your important items that contain a data chip, like your credit cards, for instance, from skimming. Hackers using radio frequency identification devices to remotely steal your information. Since you're more likely to have important documents and cards on your person when you travel, there are plenty of RFID blocking products for travelers on the market. But not all of them look as nice or have as low a price point as the Zoppen Multi-purpose RFID blocking passport wallet on Amazon. With its multitude of compartments and card slots, 33 colors to choose from, and RFID blocking technology, this product is a total steal that will also help prevent you from getting your information stolen. Number 2. Our second best pick is GDTK Leather RFID blocking passport holder. The GDTK Leather RFID blocking passport holder may be the cheapest option on this list, but it's by no means the least worthy. It comes with RFID blocking technology to help protect your valuable information from skimming. A transparent pocket and 4 card slots hold your items securely, while a subtle pen holder and 2 SIM card slots offer a luxe vibe. It also looks quite upscale thanks to its authentic leather casing that comes in 11 colors ranging from coffee brown to neon green. Number 3. Our third best pick is Zero Grid Neck Wallet with RFID blocking concealed travel pouch. If you want to make sure you don't misplace your passport and other important travel documents, just carry them around your neck. This option from Zero Grid will hold your passport, money, phone, plane ticket, credit cards, and other items, all while letting you remain hands-free while you're traveling. RFID blocking features help keep your credit cards and other personal information safe, while multiple zippered compartments organize and secure your belongings. It doesn't hurt that the wallet is made of moisture-wicking nylon either. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Borgaset's Leather Passport Holder. Travel like a pro with the Borgaset's Leather Passport Holder, a multi-pocketed RFID blocking passport holder that takes the confusion out of traveling. Whether you're at security, boarding your flight, or approaching customs, you'll never have that moment of panic in line thanks to this holder's vibrant hue and button design, which are easy to spot or feel around for even the most overpacked of bags. The holder has a large transparent sleeve as well as pockets for your passport and cards, and it comes in 9 colors. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Fintie PU Leather RFID blocking passport holder. If leather isn't your thing, you can always opt for a soft vegan leather option that looks just as sleek but is more environmentally friendly. Fintie's PU Leather RFID blocking passport holder is a stylish choice that offers tons of space for your passport, plane ticket, credit cards, and money. It's completely bulk-free and it comes in plenty of colors and prints ranging from vintage brown to bright galaxy-inspired patterns. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.